Hello and thanks for tuning in to this video. This video is the latest in the series of me showing you my Charles Schwab portfolio brokerage account, my stock portfolio. The whole reason I created this video series is to show my journey of becoming good at investing, and hopefully, ideally, as I'm learning about investing, getting good at investing, people might learn from my mistakes, learn from my successes, and maybe be able to apply that to better their financial situation. So open this account up on June 8th, 2022. And as I record this video, it's July 30th, 2022. But this was the latest day that the market was open. So essentially the last day of July that the market is open. And lo and behold, we finally got into the positive. Finally. It's been rough out there. Now, I don't know if it's just a bad time to get into the market. I don't know. Maybe one day, one year, I'll look back on this and kind of reflect on that. But as you see, this is when I started my brokerage account, when I opened my brokerage account. And from immediately took a big nosedive. It's been rough out there. It's been talking about bear market or possible heading towards a recession. So it got kind of ugly right off the bat. But I know enough about investing already to know the weather the storm. I feel good in the stocks that I have in my portfolio. So I wasn't nervous because this is money I can afford to lose. And I'm not gambling, I don't think. I'm invested in solid companies that I know will do well over the long run, and they offered value, so I got them at great prices. And I'll show you in the future on how I kind of went about deciding on certain stocks and what I looked for. So as June went on, it kind of slowly climbed up a little bit and got a little better. Of course, I added more money into my account too, but finally this week, we got over that 0% and finally are in the positive, got a positive rate of return. So a 0.42%. Now, that's nothing stellar. That's nothing necessarily to write home about, but it's in the positive. I made money. So over here, you see my account has gained $98.30 from my investments from the day I opened it until July 29th, which is the last day that the market was open in July. Down here, I've contributed. So as you see, my beginning value, but down here, I contributed $1,500 more over the course of these couple of months, or almost a couple of months, month and a half. And this is where it's gain $98. Now look, I see people at gas stations all the time playing the lottery or buying lottery tickets and scratch offs or going to the casino. I like to go to the casino every now and then, but the casinos and lotteries can't compare to this, folks. This is businesses, good businesses working and providing returns for you. Now, is it beginner's luck? I don't know. Is it going to go down? Of course it is. I'm being the negative, I'm sure. Again, it is investing. It is a risky thing. But I know over the long term, this number will be positive more than it will be negative. I know that. I mean, it's solid research. It's a fact. Stocks over the long haul, over the long run, make people money. If they're the right ones, if you're not speculating and gambling. So I feel really good. Where to go from here? It's about the middle of the year, or a little past that, I guess. So hopefully this account will be up to $5,000 by the end of the year. So December 31st, 2022, I am confident that this number, my ending value, will be $5,000 or more. The fact that I started in a lot of negativity you hear in the media and on news, and people trying to scare you, and the stocks are down, and the tech stocks are falling, and what's going on with this stock and that stock, people panicking and stuff. I stayed steady. I bought those shares. I felt good about what I was buying. I made good decisions because they were based on research, and they were based on finding stocks and companies that were undervalued at the time that I bought those shares. And right now, at least in this very short term, this past week or so, it's paid off for me. So my account has made $98.30. That's going to fluctuate. I know it. I expect it to. I don't expect this to keep going up all the time. It's going to be a roller coaster. But I'm going to weather the storms when it's bad, and when it's good, like it's good now. I'm not going to get too cocky and confident because I expect it to go down. But as I said earlier, I know over the course of many, many years, this stock portfolio will reach its goal of at least $100,000 and will make me money over time. That's the beauty of investing. That's the beauty of investing in stocks specifically. So I can't wait to share this journey, the ups and downs, the trials, the tribulations of learning how to invest, learning how to get good at investing. So if you want to follow me on this journey, if you want to learn the latest tips and different tutorials on how to make money and save money and invest money so you can live life on your own terms and make money work for you instead of you working for money, then I appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get all the latest videos as soon as they are published. So super proud of this right now. I'm just starting to learn how to invest, and it makes me very happy that within a month and a half, a little over a month and a half, I've made almost $100 investing in the stock market, and hopefully that can continue. And I'll be sure to document all the ups and downs of this Charles Schwab brokerage account. So that's the latest of this portfolio update. Hopefully you tune in some more and follow me on this journey, and hopefully it will help you on your financial journey too. Let's get that at least 1%. That's what I'm going to work on. That's the next goal. Get that to 1% and hopefully $5,000 total by December 31st, 2022. Thank you again so much for watching this video, and take care.